Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my setup for my filming area. I'm going to be talking about what equipment I'm using and showing you guys my lights and just giving an overall behind the scenes kind of thing today. And the reason why I'm doing this is I put up a poll on Instagram I think it was yesterday, and asking if you guys wanted to see my setup, and a lot of you said yes, so that's what I'm doing today. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. Alright, so there's two things that I won't be able to show you guys, and that's going to be my camera. I won't be able to show you my camera because obviously I'm filming with my camera. So I'm just going to tell you what camera I'm using and what mic I'm using, because those are the two things that I can't actually show you. I mean, I could show you pictures, but Alright, so my camera, the camera that I am using is I have the Canon Rebel T6i camera. So yeah, this camera is a really good camera. I wouldn't say it's the top notch or the best or anything, because there's a couple issues that I don't like about it. One of the things being the autofocus. It's kind of, I don't know, maybe I'm just not very familiar with cameras, so I don't know how to get it to work all the time, but I sometimes have trouble getting it to autofocus on things. But for the most part, it's pretty good, so just like, you know, sometimes it can take a little while to, there it goes. But sometimes it works, and sometimes I have struggle with it. But for the most part, it's pretty good about autofocusing. So I really don't have that many complaints about it. It's been a really good camera, and I'm glad I bought this one. And then for my mic, I'm using the Rodeo. I have to look it up. Hold on. I think the mic that I'm using is just called a Rodeo video mic. I bought it off of Amazon. It was in a bundle. So it's a video mic shotgun microphone, if that helps. And it's been a pretty good mic. The only thing I don't like about it is it picks up like the white noise. So, and I'm not familiar or very high, I don't know how to fix stuff like that. I try to look it up and try to fix it, but it does if I don't speak up loud enough and I'm just kind of using my normal voice. When I edit the video, I have to turn my volume up a bit so you guys can hear me better. And it like has a staticky kind of noise in the background if I turn it up too much. So that's the only complaint I have about it. Other than that, it's been a really good mic. But yeah, that's the mic that I'm using. Alright, enough of me jabbering about the equipment I'm using. I know you guys are wanting to see my setup, so I'm just going to go ahead, get behind the camera now, and show you guys my setup. Alrighty guys, and this is what you guys are normally used to seeing. I know, I'm sorry, my hands are kind of shaky, because I'm not actually on the tripod. I have this in my hand. I'm going to zoom you guys kind of out now, and this is my actual setup here. Alright, so I have two soft boxes, one on each side of me, and these are by Mount Dog, and I think I got these on Amazon, and they're about, I think they're about $50 each, which, yeah, that's a little pricey, but they really have helped my background kind of light up, because it used to be, I was always really lit up, but my background was like dark, so these really helped with that. And then I have this big ring light here, which has been really nice. I think it's by Neewer. Again, I bought this off of Amazon, and I just searched ring light, and I think it was one of the first ones that came up, and I think it was around $100. And this is really a nice one. Like, it has this switch over here, and you can dim it. Like, you can see how bright you want it. I can show you guys on the other side, but anyways. And then I have my tripod here, which I got this at a thrift store, so I don't really know. It's Vanguard. It's by Vanguard. So anyways, I've set you guys here, and I sit there. Alright, and then coming around here, this is my table. So this is where I sit, and then, ignore the shoe rack over here. I share a room with my husband, so this is his closet area. But anyways, this is where I sit and do my makeup. So on the table here, I just have a bunch of lipsticks. In these drawers, I just keep mascara and concealers and stuff. And then I've got all my brushes over here, my sponges. And then there's a mirror that I use while I'm doing my makeup. And then I just have a basket of makeup that I'm trying out or I think this is stuff from, this is stuff I'm trying to pan. And then I have my phone and like a notebook in case I need to remember anything. So yeah, this is what I see. It's very bright. But yeah. And then moving to my background. And then of course here is my background. And my background is literally pieces of material tacked onto the wall. I know it's kind of weird, but I mean it works. I could have used the wall, but my wall needs to be repainted and like patched up because I think we hung a lot of stuff in here, so there's like little holes from, you know, just from nails and stuff. But I just didn't want to repaint it just to film, so I just put up some fabric. And then of course I have my signs over here. I think I got this in a FabFit, and this one I got at Ross. And yeah, it just has a little switch on it so that I can turn it on and off. And what my signs are actually standing on is just like this little table that has a bunch of drawers in it. And this is where I keep a lot of my makeup. And this one I have all my palettes, or most of my palettes. In this one I have a bunch of skincare products that I haven't tried yet. So whenever I'm done with the skincare I'm using now, I will reach for new products from in here. That one I think is makeup I haven't tried yet. And this one I usually put stuff that I get for hauls. Like when I go to TJ Maxx, I'll just keep whatever new stuff I bought and put it in here and then do a haul video later on. And this one, it's just makeup bags, and I don't think I have anything in that one. And then of course I have my picture that I have in my background that I got from TJ Maxx. And then I have these little lights that I just kind of strung up around the background. And I think I got these from Hobby Lobby, I think is where I got these. I think they're like $5 each. But yeah, that's basically my setup. Yeah, it looks really bad from afar, but I mean, it does the job. Alrighty guys, and that is it. That's all I have. That is my setup. I think a couple things I forgot to mention. I didn't tell you guys where I got the table from. I just got the table from Walmart. It was just a small plastic table that folds up and you can carry it with you. So yeah. But yeah, that's gonna do it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. I don't know. I don't know how to. I've never done a filming setup tour before / behind the scenes. So if I missed anything or if I went too fast, just let me know. And if you have any questions, just comment down below in the comment section asking what question. I will try to answer it. I think I've basically covered like where I got everything from. Yeah, maybe I didn't say where I got this table thing. My sister gave me this, and I think she got it from Walmart. It just didn't work out in her house, so she gave it to me, and I've been using it. But yeah, I think everything else I kind of covered. But yeah, this is my setup. Is it the best setup in the world? No. And someday when I move, when me and my husband move, I look forward to getting more space so I can have like a better setup, because right now it is very cramped. I know it might not look very cramped, but it is. Like walking back here trying to film this, it was kind of weird because I couldn't, like, I don't know, I was trying to hold the camera, and yeah, it was weird. It was very cramped back here. It might not look cramped, but it is. But yeah, this is my setup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this helped you out in somewhat for getting ideas if you're trying to look for ideas for your own setup. But yeah guys, that's gonna do it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if this is the types of videos you like seeing, or if you like this video. I do really appreciate it. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. I really do appreciate it. But other than that guys, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful Thursday, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!